you ever wondered if you have the ability of healing? Well, I'm a firm believer that we all have the ability of healing, and actually we're all healers in some way. When a mother comforts her baby and when it's sick or poorly and needs comforting, and if it's crying, we're giving healing, we're giving energy. And whether or not we are doing that consciously or unconsciously, that energy is passing to another human being. And we can also heal ourselves, we can heal pets, we can heal family, we can heal friends. And one of the most ancient and oldest traditional methods of healing is spiritual healing. And it's so simple. It's something that I've always gone back to. I started my journey as a spiritual healer, and I still am one now. And even though I've trained in many different aspects of healing, the healing modalities, I've always gone back to that very simple, beautiful attunement with my spirit guides to bring through the healing energy from the spirit world to help another person, to rebalance the mind, body and spirit, to bring harmony, comfort, peace, healing, whatever is needed to that individual. It's not down to us as the healer, it's down to the spirit world that you will learn to attune to. The more attuned you are to the spirit world, the more you can deliver that beautiful healing aspect to your friends, family and pets. And there's it's such a lovely thing to be able to do for somebody, and we can never guarantee the results or how somebody's going to feel. There's so many different things that are involved in this process of healing, and it's really down, it can be karmic, there can be karmic conditions, there can be problems with the person even not wanting to receive, or really are they really willing to be healed? Are they really wanting to have that harmony in their lives? So on this one-day seminar in Glastonbury, I will be taking you through the process, very simple process of attuning to your spirit guides, the healing guides, being able to fine-tune that so you can really sense them and feel them and bring them into your being. And then you can begin the process of channeling that healing energy through your being to another person. And it's really a great seminar for all levels of development, particularly for beginners. And if you just like to come along and learn how to give self-healing, healing to your pets, to your family, your friends, and always with permission, and to find out why some healing doesn't work and go into depth with all of that as well. There'll be lots of practical hands-on approach teaching during this session, during this seminar. So if you'd like to come along, it's on Saturday the 27th of July in Glastonbury, and the details are on the website louisasullivan.com.